Good afternoon. I thought I would come on and do a few more problems with you today. For those of you that may still be struggling with your assignment this week, this one is very similar to the problems I assigned, and you answer them in the same format. You drag the answer up and drop it in the box underneath the problem. So let's read the first question, or the next question. Jan is 10 years younger than Michael. Jan is 65. How old is Michael? So we know Jan's age. Jan is 65. We're looking for how old is Michael. We know that Jan is 10 years younger than Michael. So to get Michael's age, if Jan is 10 years younger, we would either add 10 to Jan's age. So that would be 65 plus 10 would give us Michael. I don't see any down here that say 65 plus 10. So the other way is if we take Michael's age, which we don't know, x, to get to Jan's age, since she's younger, we would have to subtract 10. So Michael's age, x, minus 10 years would equal 65, Jan's age. So which one says that? X minus 10 equals 65. Here it is. I'm going to drag it up and drop it. Okay, the next problem, you checked out 10 library books that weigh a total of 65 ounces. What is the weight of each book? So 65 is the total ounces. We want to find the weight of each book. There are 10 of them. So we need to split 65 up into 10, which would normally be division, right? Do we see one that says 65 divided by 10? No. None of them say that. So we're going to have to rethink that. So in terms of x, what are we looking for? The weight. The weight of each book times the number of books will give us the total weight, right? So that would be 10 books times their weight of each would equal 65, which would be this one. 10x equals 65. Okay, the next one. Math class is 65 minutes long. There are 10 minutes left in class. How long have you been in class? So 65 minutes is the total length of the class, but there are 10 minutes left. So if we take 10 from 65, we would see how many minutes we've already been there. Do any of these say 65 minus 10? No. But if the minutes left is 10, if we add that to the minutes we've already been there, we should get the total number of minutes, 65, which would be this one. X plus 10 equals 65. So notice, if my first thought was subtraction, but it's not subtracting from the right thing, we go to the opposite, which is addition. On this one, my first thought was division, but we need to divide 65. There wasn't a problem, an equation dividing 65, so I had to reverse it and go to multiplication. On this one, if Janice was 10 years younger, then to get Michael's age, we would have added 10, but there wasn't an answer choice adding 10 to 65, so we had to reverse it and subtract 10 from the unknown age. Okay, so notice it's opposite each time of maybe your first thought. A total of 10 friends went to dinner and split the bill. Each person paid $65. What was the total bill? Each person paid $65. 10 friends. So that'd be 10 times 65, right? But look, it's not here. So If we're looking for the total, if we take that total and split it up by the 10 friends, then it would equal 65 that they each paid, which would be this one. The total divided by the 10 friends, when they split it up, equals 65. So they went to dinner, they split the bill, divided the bill by 10, and it equals 65. Okay, hopefully that will give you some more practice today. I hope to see all of your assignments being turned in. Y'all are doing a great job so far. Make sure that you're dragging the answer and dropping it under the equation. It will not let you type in the answer. You have to drag and drop, and then make sure you hit done or submit at the end of your lesson when you finish your work. Have a great day.